All right, guys, let's talk a little bit about contamination on the car. After a car has not been properly maintained, properly cleaned on a consistent basis, you're going to get little white spots on the car. And those spots are debris that gets on the car, such as tree sap, brake dust, railroad dust, industrial fallout, all kinds of things that get on the car and they'll stay there. So this car has been cleaned 100%, but there's still these pieces of dust on there that is now embedded in the paint. So how do we get that out without scratching the car? Very easy. We're going to use a clay bar. What's a clay bar? Little piece of clay that we use. Wipe it across the whole car and that'll get it off. So now let's see if we can get a quick listen what it sounds like. You can actually hear the contamination on it. This side right here has already been clayed. I don't know if you can hear that, but nothing. Now we get to the side that hasn't been clayed. Hear that? That's all the contamination that is on this car. This car has not been maintained for a long time, so it's got a lot of it. So you want to get that off of there, because the bottom line is it wears out the paint, it wears out your clear coat, and it becomes oxidized, which eventually will rust through your car. So give us a call, contact me, let's get your clay bars done, guys.